them loud playing there, I've got to stop right now, you know. Why would I say come all the foolishness in front of my yard? Other than live nowhere.
You just jealous cause you can't dance like we. You're so bad, man, old lady.
2 year back, crack when you dance, you want to come ruin our fun, don't it? Why not go and boy, where is this granny?
Put up right out of water and stick. We can dance way better than one. Yeah, man, ruffle run and go on. All down about old lady.
Ronin, come here. Why you answer me, man? Come page, you know.
Hey, Mampi, I chat to my grandson. I no want him have him woman.
What that have to do with me? My man, your man, my man, to a fair one.
Come in here, man, Sean. Now him get a house and come in front of me all them foolishness. So I come page me for you, Sean. What go on with you?
Grandma, why you talk to daddy for me?
How much time every day I call me grandma?
Alright, sorry, 10 CM.
What you want to talk to your father about now?
Daddy never tell you about one girl and get pregnant.
What you talk about? Yeah, your only father pick me.
No man, grandma, I breed somebody.
What you try to say? The boy they breed somebody and not even let me know. You know, to all I'm sure my boy pick them. None of them not give me a granddaughter.
The thing is, if you want to tell me how we breed, I'm gonna keep it one secret.
Secret. That nasty a secret for long. Cause him have to tell me how him breed.
If you can get it all the time, fine. But you don't want to tell me nothing. Your mother tell me say, me have to give him money in order for him to tell me.
So what make this a secret if him don't want to tell nobody? Me go find out, you know. Me go find out.
Him really get on my nerves now, grandma. Him just stubborn, me like listen to nobody.
Your father have to respect him same way.
Respect what? Man, I was a disrespect my mother.
Stay out of man and woman argument in you. That's not your concern.
The way I want to say, he was never a father to me anyways.
Let's say mash up the new furniture I'm gonna bring for you. Already? Move like you have said. Why talk me here about me have grand picnic what I know about?
Yeah, talk about me. Yeah, lose it or something, I get old.
Watch how you call old, you know. Younger than you and a boy.
Will you come over here for come piss me off or something?
Oh, she can't get pregnant. Oh, I know.
So tell you what you say, that boy Sean. No worry about nothing, mommy. No worry about no girl, no worry about no belly.
Yeah, mother, you know. I know when you lie.
Yeah, like when you know you lie about the money where you get for Junior.
Why you run your mouth about no boy?
You think me don't know you adopt Junior and I get money for him? Why you have man to live so? Eh? What you don't like if people find out about that? Where you take the money or my cousin did unexpectedly. So like you have something to do with it.
Yo, watch how you chat certain things. You know, my sister picked me that, you know.
Yeah, like me and you pick me out me I live so. Why you live uptown with a young boy. Oh you so wicked, mommy. Look how man I live.
Yeah, so you're blasted ungrateful.
Me ungrateful. Man I live like dog shit, I do in
So you think
business.
would I bring you come live with me? After you come bring a bag of whore in the last house me live in and get me evicted?
One do thing, my mommy. Just know some know where you have plan.
So really me, your mother you chat to so. You see you lady. You are dog shit, you know.
You learn it from the best. You, who else?
You can't blame nobody for what you did in your life. You're a damn idiot. That's why Sharon get rid of your ass. Compare your brother them to you. Look how you workless. Your brother them have 3 house. You know have shit all. Cause you do a scrape off a woman. You want a freaking loser. And you want to come blame me for that. Hey boy, go on, you know. You workless like your papa.
Papa? Who's even my father? You even know? The three we have different father.
Remember who you chat to, you know. You know me, you know.
Then come out of my house now. Where you there for? Leave! Leave!
Who you think you chat to? You lose your mind? You lose your mind,
Come
don't
out of
you?
my house, you're
I
deaf.
know say you
You're
lose your
deaf.
lose your damn
Leave!
mind.
Get out. Yo, Octavia. What on?
What you do here?
Your mother never really feel good, so she called me over to come help her with the baby.
She inside?
Now man, she come on the road and we deal with some things. Just stop at the shop, go buy me a sweetie for the end.
Oh, alright. Well, go and do your thing. May I go inside go and look a bit.
You alright doing? You look kinda tired. So, what new with you?
Nothing, Anthony. May I go inside go and alright? When I shop, go and do your do.
Alright, but so forward.
Alright.
You are good now?
Yeah, my kinda hurt me still.
But if a big man thing, when you there help your mother, you shouldn't feel good, you know?
Oh, sorry. Me don't know say I'm a father.
What you mean, father? If you there help out your mother, you're a baby, you know? Make your mother do all her work by herself, she'll get old.
This not nothing to do with you. Why you even here?
Me here because your mother need help. Want you.
Well, you there help her and me I give her money. So what else you want me to do?
Yo, big man thing, you ever sit on this store you talk? You know, you're always so selfish.
Me not have to listen to you.
You taught me how you talking on TV. If you start move, so you know. I want to go reason with man, no man. From where we know each other, you can't be sit around and chat to me and hold a conversation.
I'm sorry, Anthony.
You're sorry about. Talk to me now, TV.
I just don't know if I do with any of this, Anthony.
Do you do what? Tell me no man what go on.
I wish I could change everything. Everything will have in between us. I wish I could change back everything. When we were in high school, back when me and you, it was just me and you.
Things can never be the same between me and TV. With me always out there for you.
I always love you, Anthony.
You know my feelings for you never change.
You never leave.